beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to make card number 11 for our 12 cards of Christmas. So I'm using the Merry and the Christmas from the Season's Greetings. Yesterday I used this Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to be using this Merry Christmas. I love the difference in the fonts, and you could mix and mingle or mix and match. Sorry about that. We're going to be using some garden green and then some reindeer designer series paper. We're not going to be using the reindeers. We're going to be using the back side, and we cut out a die Christmas tree, and then we cut a piece here. And I also have a circle cut out, a star there in the silver glimmer paper, and then we added a little bit of snowflakes onto some basic white cardstock. Made a little frame here. We're gonna go ahead now, if you wanted to punch out the words on a different sheet of paper, you could use the background like this, but I want to stamp on it, so I'm going to make this part the inside. These are such fun cards to make for Christmas, especially for those last minute gifts where you haven't bought a gift yet. You can put money inside. So we're going to burnish this down. We got the inside done. Of course, you could stamp a greeting on the inside as well. But we're going to go ahead and do this. In fact, I think I'm going to put this down. I was going to stamp first, just in case I mess up a little bit. We're gonna shoot for bloopers, right? No, not really. We want to do this properly. But there we go. I was gonna say, speaking of bloopers, I went ahead and lost my piece. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down as well, because I want to know where I'm going to stamp that. So I'm going to do the best that I can in lining this up. We've got our little snowflakes here, which is going to match perfectly with those snowflakes in there. And let's go ahead. We're going to get out our real red because it matches perfectly. I'm going to set that off to the side for the time being. And we are going to stamp Merry right here at the top. All right, we got one down. Now if we can do Christmas as well. Half the battle is inking it up, making sure you get everything inked up, but not inking the block. And then we're going to put this one right here. Hold it down just a bit. Oh, we did it. Nice. I'm going to close that guy up before I get any red on my fingers, because it happens. You can see I got a little line there. But now we're going to take our Christmas tree and we're going to put him right in the center there. And with our Christmas tree, because it is designer series paper, it's a little bit too flimsy to pop up on its own. So we're going to put this here. And then I'm going to, I think I'm going to wait for this. No, I'm going to put the star on. I said I was going to wait, and then I decided that I'm going to pop it up, so I need to have it glued here. All right. So we're going to put our star right on top of our tree here. I don't know, when you put a star on, do you make sure the tip goes up? I do. And then we're going to be able to put this right on here with the help of some dimensionals. So let's go ahead and pop a few dimensionals on there. There's always plenty of dimensionals that come in a pack, so don't worry about using too many. It just gives it more stability. So I'm using the Take My Pick tool. If you are a paper crafter, journaler, any sticker user, this is a lifesaver. So we're going to take this guy. We're going to straighten him up, put him right in the middle. And you guys, we have a Christmas card. And let's go ahead and add a few of these here. You know me, we'll put 2 on one side and 1 on the other, because that's how I do it. I am a 3 embellishment person. Put 1 right there. And then, of course, you can always add some gems or anything else that you'd like. So there's our Christmas card. Merry Christmas. Gives you plenty of room to write. And guess what? This is all room you don't have to write in. This might be my new trick from now on. All right, beauties. I hope you like card number 11. 1 more to go. And I hope you guys are having a great Christmas season. I will talk to you later. And as always, if you find anything that you like and would like to purchase to remake the card, just go to beautyandthestamper.com, click on the shop Stampin' Up, and you'll be able to find many of the items that I'm using here today. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye!